Good morning. This is Ellen Petronella directly from my garden. I'm so grateful to have you here and for the response I've received since I started sharing my morning ritual, trying to get a little bit of vitamin D in my garden as well as some vitamin stitch, right? I'm stitching into my morning pages, my stitch journal. And in case this is a new concept for you, if it's the first time you're seeing this, the principle is the same as a regular journal, just that I'm using fabric as the pages. Here I've used raw linen, and you can find a workshop for free showing you exactly how I put my stitch journal together using a hardcover book as the base. I then have some floss and a needle, and I stitch reminders, affirmations, movements, colors, whatever it is I feel that I need to process through my system. Just the other day, I stitched, actually a couple of days ago, I made just these colorful stitches here because I felt scattered in my mind. I didn't really know what I wanted to say, and so I just used colors as the base and let my needle lead. This morning, I feel that I need to write something, and I need to write something quite important. I think I want to use this last page as it's so windy and the pages are kind of flowing a little bit crazy. I'll just get started here. I believe you'll quickly see what it is I need to express this morning. Maybe you'll even guess it after the first letter. I'm using back stitches to write. I very, very rarely trace anything beforehand. The whole point about a stitch journal is freedom, is to be free to let your needle lead, to stitch whatever comes out, whatever needs to be said. And sometimes it's in movement, it's in colors, and other times it's in text. There are no rules because the point is the act of doing it. My cat. She loves my morning pages too. Love. I feel as though there's so much fear and tension and stress going on. And at the end of the day, I do think that what we need most is love. Love for each other and love for ourselves. Doing these morning stitches is my act of self-love. It's giving me 5 to 10 minutes in the morning before the whole day kicks off. And I can't tell you how much it has absolutely, completely transformed my life. Been doing this for about 2 years now. I just didn't share it in the beginning, letting the practice fully settle into my system first. love, will I be able to do the last stitches before attaching my floss? I do believe so. Love, love wins. This was a short 5-minute just morning grounding reset video, and I'll be back with more, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, follow along, and let me know, have you done your stitch journal yet? I soon need to make another one because I'm starting to approach the end, but at the end of the day, you know, I can also keep filling this one out. We'll see. Have you done yours yet? Do check the link out below with a free workshop on how you can create your own stitch journal and make this a daily practice too. Bye.